We are below minimum, so time to top this thing off again. That's crazy. I'm gonna double check. What's up, guys? What's going on with the cord today? Replacing the VTEC gasket. There's the part number right there if you guys want it. Replacing the VTEC gasket. This is a common thing that goes wrong with Hondas, so let's get to it. So first thing is you want to get this bolt off. The beautiful thing about working on Hondas is dang near all the bolts are the same size. So you got 10 mil here, 10 mil here, and where the VTEC solenoid is, that's another 10 mil. So to that. All right, so the next thing is you got 2 bolts back here, not touch the header. You got a bolt right here and a bolt, where's the other one? On the other side right here. Then you got one at the top, somewhere up top. I'm really trying not to touch those headers. All right, now we're working. So there's 2 connectors you want to disconnect. There's a connector right here. Disconnect this one. This one, thank goodness the light is here, because now I can see where to press. This one might be a little hard to get out. It's definitely hard for me. I'm going to take this one out. What you might want to do is get some pliers or something and just pinch right there and then pull it out. So that's what I'm going to do. And then you got this thing here, you just pull that out. But if you guys look, the VTEC solenoid's here. When I touch under it, you see there's a lot of oil. So that's 100% the problem, is what I think. Shoot. The problem could even be it might not even be tightened enough to the right torque spec. All right, so we got it out. And yes, there's a bolt down there, bolt over there, hard to see, and a bolt up there. Obviously it's in the back of the engine, so it's gonna be like that. And when you take these bolts out, it is going to be leaking a little bit. All right, guys, so now I was really thorough on cleaning this thing out. It looked a lot worse than this all around. So now I'm just waiting for this stuff to dry. Hint while I'm letting it sit upside down like that, letting it dry. Then you can just pop the new filter in and plug it on in. But now is the waiting game. All right, guys, so we got the new gasket now. And what you do is you just pop it on in like this. Make sure you got it in secure. This one seems to fit perfectly. Normally I'm against going to the dealership because they BS you on the price, but as you can see, this one's pretty flush. This is the first time I actually got it from the dealership, I think. The other time I went, dude didn't even know what part I was talking about. It was crazy. You work at a dealership, you should know, but these guys really don't. Went to AutoZone and got it for cheaper, but that's not always the way to go. Sometimes you just want to go OEM parts. So we're putting this in. It's a whole lot cleaning. We'll find out if it works. Here we go. Inch pounds, 104. So that's what it torques down to. And if you don't have one of these, just do it hand tight, because 104 inch pounds, I think that's around 8 pounds of torque. So just do it hand tight if you don't have one of these, like really tight though, because you don't want that thing just wiggling around. All right, guys, and the most important part is reconnecting these wires. Camera. There we go. Hope you can see that. And this one. So you hear the clicking sound, I'll let you know it's all set. What you can do now is just reconnect these parts, like this one. You know, this is a 10 mil as well, and this is the power steering lock. This is the power steering line, so it just holds the power steering line in place. Put that back, and you're pretty much done after that. Guys, I almost forgot. You want to check your oil level. This one, I topped it off yesterday, but I guess since you take the VTEC solenoid off and it leaks, it goes down. We are below minimum, so time to top this thing off again. That's crazy. I'm going to double check. That's after replacing the VTEC solenoid, guys. Make sure you top off your oil. I would recommend starting the car, checking, making sure it's not leaking. If you don't have any more leaks, you're all set. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.